So we've been using AI to generate close to over 50 ad creatives each week for our clients across multiple ad accounts. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly our whole process step by step so that you can literally copy me and implement this whole framework into your brand. So we use this framework for this client over here, and we generated close to $23,000 till date, which is almost double their revenue. And in today's training, what we are going to cover is generating product photo shoots that you can have on the website, writing video scripts, how you can do voiceovers, how you can create the whole video to run as the ad, and then we are going to talk about using this to publish your campaign. The first tool we have is Flare.ai. Now Flare.ai is a tool that lets you create product photo shoots. So once you're signed up on Flare.ai, head on to create new project and go to products here, and from here you can upload your own product, or if you don't have your own product, or if your product packaging or something looks pretty similar to this, then you can just import from here. But in most cases, we just take a snapshot of our client's product and we upload it from here. This video, I'm going to use this one here, and this gives you like pretty accurate product photo shoots, and you can play around and see what works for you. Like for example, you can change the background, and they have a lot of background options as well. So let's just stick to this one for now. You can choose different props. For example, if you don't like this stand, you can choose like multiple other options that they have. You can choose from all this variety of props that they have. You can even choose like hands, like if you want to showcase someone holding the product or something, and it gives like a pretty realistic looking view. So you can just save this and import on your website, and it looks like an actual photo shoot. Yeah, if you want to add multiple products to it, you can go here and import multiple products if you're using bundles, or if you are using you want to show multiple products together, you can do that as well. We basically use it for our client's website to show it as like a photo shoot, but we recently tested it out as an ad as well. So what you want to do is save this. What we did was we saved, and we imported this thing in Canva, and over here we literally stuck 15% off sticker, and we ran it as a carousel ad, and that worked really well. So if you want, you can use it on the website, or you can use it on the ads part as well. So the next website we have here is ChatGPT. Now I'm pretty sure everyone uses ChatGPT, so we are going to use it to craft a video script. So this is the prompt that we're going to be using. Now if you don't have the ChatGPT 4 version, if you have the free version, then instead of this link, you will have to copy the entire product description out, and anything that you can use to give ChatGPT information about your product. So maybe like ingredients, how to use, maybe your product description, everything, and paste it here instead of the link, because as far as I'm aware, you can't use the free version to scan the website. So you're going to put the website if you have the paid version, and then you're going to ask it to read and understand what the product is about. And after you've done that, craft a video ad script for a 15-second Facebook ad using the AIDA framework. Now AIDA framework is the attention, interest, desire, action framework, and we've seen this work really well. And we just said make it funny and use a strong hook. Now if this doesn't suit your brand tone, then feel free to change it up. So it's given us this script, which is, it looks good. We might have to improve it here and there. But then what we do is we take whatever is in the narration part, we take that and we copy it and paste it in the website called 11labs.io. Now this helps you to convert your text into speech. So what you want to do is put the whole speech here. So I'm just going to do it one by one just to save some time. So let's just go with the first line here and click on generate speech.
Tired of looking like a lobster at a beach party?
So you can import like the whole script here, and based on this you can download this voiceover and you can put it in your current video ad. I'm going to show you how you can make the video ad as well. If you want to use a custom script, then you can use ChatGPT to generate the script, and then to translate it into speech you can use this website called 11labs.io. And over here you can choose from like different voice actors if you want, like male, female, all of those things. The next tool here, this tool is basically used to convert video ads. So you need to import your website, and after you've pasted your website, it gives you a product description and gives you name of the product. You click on next, you can leave it however it is, and this is basically this aspect ratio is used for TikTok ads most of the time. So click on next. It's going to take up some time to generate scripts. So it's given us the script here. If you want to do it yourself, then you can use ChatGPT to come up with scripts and you can manually do it, but I'm just going to use the AI scripts for now. Let's just select this one here, click on next. Alright, so once you click on next, it basically gives you a lot of options to choose from, and you can choose between different avatars, you can choose between different voice actors. You can choose between different accents. So I just downloaded something just to show you guys how it sounds.
Ever struggled to evenly apply sunscreen without a mess? Enter the Face Plus Scout.
So this is just an sort of AI voice actor talking over, and it sounds pretty realistic if you look at his mouth as well.
Mist SPF 35.
So UGC content creators, you can use something like this to sort of basically showcase someone talking over. It looks pretty realistic and gets the job done as well. So I suggest doing it manually with the scripts, because the scripts that Creatify gives you is not to the point, I'd say. But if you manually upload the scripts, then it sounds far better. And for your current video ads, whenever they sort of dry up, what we do is we just change the hook up using this. So we come up with different hooks, different variations, and we import them. We just have it run like a voiceover. So we just change like the first 3 seconds to something like this, and then the normal ad plays, and it sounds pretty realistic, and it gets the job done. So I guess I would create a separate training on that, basically how we refresh creatives and how we go about this whole thing. But this will just give you like an overall idea. And once that is done, you can use this to sort of add like the cherry on top. So this is Adobe Podcast. So your video ads are going to be in MP4 file. You can head over to MP4 to MP3 converter. Any MP4 to MP3 converter online works. And you can convert your file to MP3 and then upload it here, and it just streams out your audio and it makes it much more clearer, and then you can use the same audio in your ad creative. So I hope this training was valuable. I'm going to create a couple more trainings based on how we use ChatGPT to come up with the video and the images as well. That would be a separate training, because then the video would just get too lengthy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's training. If you want to see some results we had like with some of the clients using these AI video ads, then I'm just gonna have my editor drop them here so you can see the results we've had. Apart from that, if you want us to come in and help you guys scale, you can book a call below. I'm gonna leave my Calendly link down below, and yeah, we'll speak soon. Cheers.